Hello everyone and welcome back to another software review video. Today we are going to review app.so, which is a landing page building software. The claim is you can build a landing page in 2 minutes, which I found true. The page generation is done through AI and relevant stock images are generated by the software itself so that the page contains all the elements. Yup.so redefines the landscape of landing page creation with its remarkable speed and user-friendly interface. In a mere of 2 minutes, I effortlessly crafted and published a fully operational landing page thanks to the platform's lightning fast capabilities. What truly sets app.so apart is its innovative AI powered no code methodology. Gone are the days of grappling with intricate builders. Yup.so automatically generates text and image content based on user input, ensuring a consistently polished and professional appearance with each creation. Yet Yup.so doesn't stop at aesthetics, it's a comprehensive toolkit for transforming visitors into paying customers, offering an array of features including lead magnets, customizable email campaigns, and pop-up surveys. Yup.so equips users with everything necessary to captivate audience and drive conversions. Moreover, seamless integration with popular tools such as Airtable and Zapier streamline lead management, making the process more efficient than ever before. Flexibility is another hallmark of app.so with a range of pricing options tailored to suit various needs and budget. Whether you are an aspiring hobbyist refining an idea or a seasoned entrepreneur aiming to elevate your online presence, yup.so caters to all requirements. Yup.so earns my unequivocal recommendation. It transcends the traditional complexities of landing page creation, offering a swift, straightforward, and highly effective solution. Whether you are a marketing expert or a novice, Yup.so empowers users of all levels to craft captivating landing page effortlessly. Bid farewell to the convoluted builders and embrace Yup.so. It represents the future of landing page design. Dive into today and witness firsthand transformative power of app.so. You can see the analytics page that you have created using app.so. Many important analytics data like views, conversion, and conversion rate are shown in the analytics menu. The page that you will create in app.so will be hosted in the subdomain provided by app.so, but you can also add your custom domain so that the page will be hosted in your own custom website domain and will really look more authentic. The page styling features are very beginner friendly and simple, but don't think the features are limited. You can style your page as you want so that the page will look really aesthetic. For instance, you can add your custom CSS styling to the page too. Now let us get started. Click on the create page button to start clicking your page. Suppose I want to make a landing page for YouTube content creation, then I will type the name of the service. Now write the product name, who is the target audience for the product, and describe the product as much detail as possible, and it will automatically generate the page using AI. You don't have to insert images also, it will cover some stock images relevant to the topic. Now it will take some time to create your landing page since it is using AI for generation of the landing page. Here you go, this is the magic of AI and yup.so. Your landing page is created automatically. You can see each and every detail is explained with pictures and good quality of literature. The generated page is fully editable, so you can edit each and every element whenever you want. Now to publish your landing page, click on the publish button. At first, let us take a look how the page will look. Click on the view page button. To view the created landing page, just create an account using your email ID and your password. Choose one password and agree the terms of condition and click on the create account button. Now click on the view page button. This is how our page will look like whenever anyone opens the page. In the publish button option, you have two options. You can publish on public or you can publish it on a custom domain. You can choose any options you want and then you can proceed to publish your landing page. From the page analytics submenu, we can see the analytics and performance of your landing page. The important analytics parameters like views, conversions, and conversion rate are shown in the page analytics. And also some more analytics about your landing page is shown here. From your pages submenu, you can see all your created pages. For now, I have created only one landing page, so there is only one page in the dashboard. Now let us take a look at the pricing plan of Yup.so. Yup.so offers two pricing plans tailored to meet the needs of different users, the Hobby plan and the Maker Pro plan. The Hobby plan is designed for those who are in the early stage of refining and validating their business ideas. Priced at $0, that is free, or $0 per year, this plan provides essential features to assist users in the process. With the Hobby plan, users have access to instant analytics, sign-up notifications, and auto-conversion starters. These features are invaluable for gaining insights using user behavior, capturing leads, and initiating meaningful interactions with potential customers. For those ready to take their business to the next level, Yup.so offers the Maker Pro plan at the rate $29 per month or $290 per year. This plan equips users with a comprehensive set of tools to boost their business. With the Maker Pro plan, users can add their custom domain, enjoy unlimited signups, and easily monetize their offerings. The plan includes free page hosting, custom domains, and free SSL certificate to ensure a secure and professional online presence. Additionally, users benefit from unlimited landing pages, visitors, and AI usage, empowering them to scale their business without limitations. Furthermore, the Maker Pro plan provides users with advanced features such as unlimited conversion tools, webhook integration, and API integration. With access to an analytic dashboard, users can track performance metrics and make data-driven decisions to optimize their strategies. The ability to add custom CSS, JS, and HTML enables users to personalize their pages and tailor them to their brand identity. Moreover, integration with payment gateways like Stripe and Gumroad simplifies the process of monetization, making it seamless for users to generate revenue from their online endeavors. In conclusion, whether users are just starting or looking to expand their business, Yup.so offers pricing plans that cater to their needs. From essential features for idea validation to advanced tools for business growth, Yup.so provides a comprehensive platform to support users at every stage of their entrepreneurial journey. Thank you very much for watching this video.